Creating easy and achievable New Year's wellness goals involves a balance of practicality, specificity, and consistency. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Reflect on your priorities. Ask yourself, what areas of wellness matter most? E.g., physical health, mental health, nutrition, relationships, career, etc. Focus on one or two areas where improvement will have the most significant impact. 2. Set SMART goals. Specific. Be clear about what you want to achieve. Example, instead of exercise more, say, walk for 20 minutes, 3 times a week. Measurable. Track progress. Example, drink 2 liters of water daily. Achievable. Start small and realistic. Example, meditate for 5 minutes instead of 30 minutes. Relevant. Choose goals aligned with your personal values. Time-bound. Set a time frame. Example, lose 5 pounds in 2 months. 3. Break them down into micro-goals. Divide larger goals into smaller steps. Big goal, improve my fitness. Week 1. Do 10 minutes of stretching daily. Week 2. Add 15 minutes of walking. 4. Build habits, not just goals. Attach new habits to existing routines. Habit stacking. Example, do squats while brushing your teeth. Focus on consistency over perfection. 5. Track progress regularly. Use a journal, app, or planner to record progress. Reflect weekly to celebrate small wins and adjust as needed. 6. Add accountability. Share your goals with a friend or join a group. Set reminders to keep yourself on track. 7. Celebrate milestones. Reward yourself for achievements to stay motivated. Example, treat yourself to a relaxing spa day after a month of consistent workouts. Sample wellness goals. 1. Physical health. Walk 10,000 steps, 5 days a week. 2. Nutrition. Eat at least 1 serving of vegetables with each meal. 3. Mental health. Spend 10 minutes journaling gratitude daily. 4. Sleep. Go to bed by 10:30 p.m. every night. 5. Social. Schedule 1 meaningful connection, coffee, call, etc. weekly. By setting manageable and meaningful targets, you're more likely to stick with them and make lasting changes. Happy New Year to you all!